We're back here again today with Fish for Dinner. As you can see, we just came out here on the ATVs. I'm going to do a little bit of brook trout fishing here, so stay tuned. There we go, guys. We got another speckled. Nice colors there. We're going to put them back. There we go, guys. Got another little brook trout here. Gonna put them back. There we go, caught a little brookie there. There we go. Caught another little brookie right there. I'm gonna put him back. There we go, guys. Caught our first brookie right there. There we go, guys. Another nice brookie. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video of Fish for Dinner. I know I really did. That was some real fun trout fishing. Hopefully you guys can give me suggestions for the next video. And can you please hit that subscribe button and give a like? And that's it.